I'll see if I can take out the power cord first.
Until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near North Cape, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Intact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Here we go.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of Willowwood to near Cleveland to near Avon Point, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Intact. Small craft could be damaged and greatly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva-on-the-Lake, Willowwood, and Cleveland. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The current time is 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Message for the following county: Knox, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Knox County until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Centerburg, or 11 miles southwest of Mount Vernon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Emergency Management reported tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Mount Vernon around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Martinsburg.
Oh, what the fudge?
Southwestern Morrow County until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Richmond, or 12 miles southwest of Marion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicating rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Wow. No locations impacted?
Now what?
Urgent weather message for the following county: Knox, Ohio.
Oh, now they freaking issue it.
Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Knox County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Vernon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Gambier, Utica, Danville, Martinsburg, Gam, and Bladensburg. A flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio, Knox, and Morrow. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southern Knox County, southeastern Morrow County until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Vernon, Gambier, Centerburg, Sparta, Baringo, Martinsburg, and Bladensburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio, Knox, and Morrow. Urgent weather message for the following county, Licking, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Licking County in central Ohio until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hebron, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Hanover, Marne, Harbor Hills, Gratiot, Interstate 70 at State Route 37, Toboso, Interstate 70 at State Route 13, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 126 and 142, and near mile marker 144.
I'll see if I can take out the power cord first.